Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And today's video is a post review of my completed diamond painting, Hydrangea. It was purchased from the company Rainy Day Diamonds on Amazon, either for $50 or $55, I'm not quite sure. The size of the painting is 50 by 70 centimeters, and it is a full round real diamond painting. I would like to note that the original kit contains only round resin drills. Along with a standard set of tools, this kit also came with an adorable macaroon. It is a macaroon holder for the wax that is inside. I actually used most of it. And the attachment to straighten the rows of the drills. The image is featuring a beautiful bouquet of hydrangea in a vase, and it is printed on a regular oilcloth canvas, but the adhesive is a poured glue, a really very nice one. Symbol printing was perfect, no dark circles tracing the characters, and the symbols themselves were very easy recognizable. Here they are. What made it even more comfortable to diamond paint was that the seller provided with a symbol key on a separate sheets of paper. The kit has 31 colors, and the drills were of a very good quality. I don't even have any tossed away drills to show you because there was almost none, but look, I have a lot of leftover drills, a lot. You might have already noticed I did add a few sparkly accents to this very design with the help of AB diamonds, that I purchased from Tina, diamond painting with sparklers, and very unusual opal gems that I bought on AliExpress. Here they are. Oh, rose ones, pink, white, and blue. I also used purple ones. You can see them here, but they're not opal ones. These are the opal gems, white, pink, blue. And I also used a few of those ones over here. I'm not sure why they turned out to be purple. As you can see, they are transparent in the back, but on the image they look purple. Not purple, iridescent kind of. And these are the AB diamonds that I purchased from Tina. I mostly use them on the flowers, on the hydrangea flowers. You see those really very vibrant sparkles? So those are them, AB diamonds. Really very nice ones. And I used the opal ones here in the vase to create the watery effect. Here is the original image, by the way. The image is so big, 50 by 70 centimeters, that it didn't even fit my vanity table. So I had to use a floor frame for my beaded cross stitch kit in order to hold it. Yeah, beautiful, very beautiful kit. Now let's talk about the issues. To tell you the truth, I didn't have any. I'm in love with not only the design itself, but also with how it turned out. My bedroom is in the same color tones as this image, and I can't wait to frame it and hang it on the wall. I will leave a link to Rainy Day Diamond store in the description box below if anyone is interested, but I'm not sure if they still carry this fabulous design though. They have many others, full crystalline kits for instance, that you also might like. And a little update on my beaded cross stitch kit. That's how much I bead stitched. Not really much. Maybe only this part. Here how it looks on the pattern. Almost half of it is done. I highlighted the part that I'm done. I need to bead stitch this area and here in the bottom. So thank you for watching and see you soon.